Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is noun phrase 529. The noun phrase today is something belt. Okay, somebody want a screenshot? Do it now. Let's get right to it. The term belt by itself is used with another word to refer to a geographical area well known or famous for some specific feature. This phrase is usually capitalized, because it usually refers to a certain land area. The term belt in this sense came from the idea that these regions were growing regions originally used for areas of growing crops. Then it expanded from that. The lines of latitude on a map are more likely to have similar characteristics, and the belt alluded to like a clothing belt as seen on a map. So the lines, they thought, actually look like a belt that somebody might wear, and that's where we get the phrase from. Let's continue. All right, we got 5 examples here to show just how we use it. These are 5 different belts, and there are a lot more than these. The first one is the Corn Belt, is a region of the Midwestern U.S. known for being dominated for corn products in the U.S. since the 1950s. Yeah, this is one of the more common ones. If you ever drive across the country, you often hear people saying when they drive through the Corn Belt, they drive through miles and miles and miles and miles of just cornfields. So that's the Corn Belt. Number 2, the Bible Belt is an area where socially conservative Protestant Christianity is dominant and a widespread part of the culture. So in that area, that's known as the Bible Belt. Number 3, the Rust Belt is an area that used to be known as the manufacturing belt, but since so many of these companies left the U.S. and went overseas for cheaper labor, the factories closed down, and the name Rust Belt alludes to the idea of abandoned factories and rusting machinery. Okay, good. And number 4, the Cotton Belt is an area of the U.S. Historically known for its cotton production. Good. The Sun Belt is a southern region of the U.S. known for its hot weather, stretching from coast to coast along the southern border. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.